May mga panahon noon kapag ang lalaki ang nagluluto, sinasabihan siyang under the saya. Pero ngayon, kapag ang babae ang breadwinner, tinatawag siyang strong, independent woman. Nakakatawa minsan, pero sa loob ng tahanan, hindi laging biro. Because when the wife earns more, many couples struggle to answer one silent question. Sino ba talaga ang leader sa pamilya namin? Let's talk about how modern couples, especially here in the Philippines, can redefine their roles. Not to compete, but to complement one another. 1. Changing times, changing roles. In the traditional Filipino home, the husband was the provider and the wife was the nurturer. Ilaw at haligi ng tahanan. Pero habang nagbabago ang panahon, nagbago rin ang ekonomiya. More women now finish college, run businesses, or even become CEOs. Meanwhile, many men are learning that leadership isn't just about money. It's about presence, wisdom, and sacrifice. Mas mataas man ang kita ko, pero pareho pa rin kaming nagsisikap para sa pamilya. That's the beauty of growth, when roles evolve, but love remains constant. 2. Redefining leadership. Leadership in marriage is not about who earns more. It's about who leads in love, service, and faith. Dati, akala ko kapag mas malaki kita ng asawa ko, mawawala ang respeto sa akin. Pero natutunan kong pwedeng ako pa rin ang leader, sa paraan ng pag-aalaga, sa pananampalataya, sa pamilya. That's true strength, when leadership is defined not by control, but by character. In God's design, leadership is not dictatorship. It's stewardship, to protect, guide, and love selflessly. When both husband and wife lead in different ways, one financially, the other spiritually, they don't compete. They complete each other. 3. Partnership over power. The real success of a marriage is found when couples stop asking, who's in charge, and start asking, how can we serve each other better? Nung tinanggal namin yung pride, mas gumaan lahat. May respeto, may tulungan. Walang agawan ng power. Filipino values teach us pakikisama and bayanihan, and these apply even in marriage. When both share responsibilities, sa bahay, sa pera, sa pagdesisyon, they reflect what real love looks like. Shared power, shared purpose. Kapag mahal mo talaga, hindi mo kailangang patunayan kung sino ang mas magaling. Mas masaya kapag pareho kayong panalo. 4. Faith as the foundation. Without faith, power easily turns into pride. But when couples put God at the center, they realize it's not about who leads, but who follows His will. Kung si Kristo ang ulo ng tahanan, hindi kailangang mag-agawan ng trono. Ang bawat isa ay may tungkulin. Pantay sa halaga, iba lang sa gampanin. That's the true meaning of equality. Different roles, same worth. Because in God's eyes, the one who serves is the one who leads. Do we see our spouse as a partner to build with or a rival to compete against? Maybe the question isn't who's in charge, but how can I make love the leader of our home? When the wife earns more, when the husband earns less? It doesn't matter. What matters is that both honor each other in love. Ang pera, darating at mawawala. Pero ang respeto, yon ang kayamanan ng mag-asawa. In every marriage, the most powerful partner is the one who chooses humility over pride, service over control, and love over ego. Because when you stop fighting for power, you start building peace. True leadership in marriage is shared because love has no rank.